Welcome to Equals TV, Algebra on the Go. Ang pag-uusapan po natin for today ay kung paano mag-multiply ng dalawang binomials using the three methods. So ano po ba itong three methods na ito? So the first method is applying the FOIL method. So the second method is the vertical method, and the third method is the distributive property. So, meron po tayong example dito. So, we have quantity 5x plus 4y times the quantity x minus 2y. So, dito po sa example na to, i-apply po natin yung tatlong method. Okay. So, let's first apply the first method, the FOIL method. Okay, so i-copy po muna natin yung given polynomials. So, we have quantity 5x plus 4y times the quantity x minus 2y. Okay. So, i-apply po natin yung FOIL method. Okay. So, let's first multiply the first terms. So, ito po yung ating first terms. So, 5x times x. So, lagyan po natin dito ng 1. Then, followed by the outer terms. So, we have 5x times negative 2y. So, ito po yung ating number 2. Then, we have the inner terms. 4y times x. So, ito po yung ating number 3. And the last terms is 4y times negative 2y. Ito po yung ating number 4. So, ito po yung ating number 1. Okay, so let's multiply. 5x times x. That is 5x squared. Then, yung ating number 2. 5x times negative 2y. That is negative 10xy. Okay. So, number 3. We have 4y times x. That is 4xy or positive 4xy. And the last terms, 4y times negative 2y. So, ito po yung ating number 4. So, 4y times negative 2y, that is negative 8y squared. Then, check po natin kung may like terms po tayo. So, meron po tayong dalawa. Negative 10xy and positive 4xy. Okay, so, i-combine po natin. So, i-copy po muna natin. 5x squared. Then, combine po natin. Negative 10xy plus 4xy. That is negative 6xy. Then, copy negative 8y squared. Okay, so this is the product obtained after multiplying these two binomials. So we have 5x squared minus 6xy minus 8y squared. Okay, so let's apply the method number 2. So yun pong tinatawag na vertical method. Okay, so i-copy po natin ulit yung given polynomials. So, we have quantity. Tanggalin na natin sa quantity. 5x plus 4y times x minus 2y. Okay, so let's multiply. Okay, so ito po yung tinatawag nating vertical method. So, naka-arrange na po siya vertically. Okay, so i-multiply po natin. Okay, so let's start with x times 5x. So, x times 5x, that is 5x squared. Then, x times 4y, that is positive 4xy. Then, negative 2y times 5x, that is negative 10xy. Okay, so dito na natin itatapat dahil like terms po sila. xy. Then, negative 2y times positive 4y, that is negative 8y squared. Then, i-add po natin. So, copy 5x squared. Then, 4xy minus 10xy, that is negative 6xy. Then, bring down negative 8y squared. Okay, so this is the product using the vertical method. So, magkapareho po dito sa ating nakuwang product sa FOIL method. Okay. So, let's apply the last method, our third method. Yun pong tinatawag nating distributive property. Okay, so i-apply natin po dito sa the same problem. So, i-copy po muna natin yung ating two polynomials. We have quantity 5x plus 4y times the quantity x minus 2y. Okay. So, i-assume po natin itong first quantity, first binomial, at ito pong second quantity, second binomial. So, ang una po natin gagawin is to copy the first binomial. So, we have quantity 5x plus 4y. Quantity 5x plus 4y times the first term of the second binomial. So, ito po ang first term niya, x. Then, add plus sign. Then, i-copy po natin ulit yung first binomial. So, we have quantity 5x plus 4y times the second term of the second binomial. So, ito po ang ating second term, negative 2y. Then, applying the distributive property, multiply po natin ito dito po sa kabilang quantity. So, x times 5x, that is 5x squared. Then, x times 4y, that is positive 4xy. Then, copy the plus sign. Then, quantity. So, negative 2y times 5x, that is negative 10xy. Then, negative 2y times 4y, that is negative 8y squared. So, we have 5x squared plus 4xy. Then, positive times negative, that is negative 10xy. Then, positive times negative, that is negative 8y squared. Then, combining like terms, meron tayong dalawa, 4xy and negative 10xy. So, copy 5x squared. Then, 4xy minus 10xy, that is negative 6xy. Then, copy negative 8y squared. Okay, so this is the product obtained after multiplying these two binomials. Okay, so magkapareho po ba dito sa FOIL method? At magkapareho din po doon sa ating ginamit na vertical method. So, pwede nyo pong i-apply o pwede nyo pong gamitin either of these three methods, yung FOIL method, vertical method, and the distributive property in multiplying two binomials. So, kung ano po ang mas madali para sa inyo, yun po ang inyong gamitin. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video.